Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video. So I'm super excited today. I'm going to be sharing with you a really great routine for piriformis syndrome relief and deep gluteal pain relief. So if you have pain anywhere in this area here, this routine is going to really help you relieve that pain, strengthen your glutes, and just feel more balanced and supported. We are going to need a resistance band here. I'm using the medium intensity resistance band, fabric resistance band. The link is below the video if you need to grab yourself one. And let's just get started right into it. And of course, make sure that you download the free Piriformis rehab sample plan. That's if you have pain right now and you need something to just get you relieved. Those exercises and routine are going to help you with that. So the link is below the video, and let's get started. We're gonna do 4 exercises, and it's all gonna be banded. And these exercises are going to be more focused on the glute medius and glute maximus. So these are large gluteal muscles that will help take the load off of the piriformis. So whenever you have that pain in the piriformis, I found that doing exercises that target these muscles just really help in general, and they help to take the load from the muscle and just let it relax naturally instead of just constantly stretching it. So I hope that you're going to enjoy this routine. All right, so the first exercise, we're gonna be doing some lateral side-to-side walks. So we're gonna get started here, and we're gonna do them slow. So I want you to brace your core here, keep your back straight. So we're gonna do a small side lateral walk, kind of pause there, and then bring that leg in, keep a little bit of resistance in the band. Again, a little bit of a small side walk, pause there, and then bringing that leg in. So there's a little bit of a pause between the side step and then the other leg coming in. So we're not just doing it faster like that. So just keep that in mind as you're going side to side. Making sure those feet are straight and pointing forward. Take a break. So the next exercise, again, focus on the glute med with a little bit of a glute maximus integration. So we're gonna stand nice and tall, keep your core engaged, and we're just gonna do a side step here. Again, just focusing on that glute med, but kind of to the back. So it's not fully lateral, but we're mostly just kind of pointing a little bit to the back. Making sure both hips are leveled here, that you're not letting this hip hike. So it just really helps with glute med activation. All right, we are gonna switch sides. So a really short transitional break here. We're not stopping for too long, but if you need, of course, a longer break, just pause the video. You can grab a sip of water and just get back into it. right, so we're gonna take a break here. All right, we are going to get on the floor now. We're gonna do some seated abductions. If you can't get on the floor for any reason, you can just sit and do these sitting. All right, so we're gonna get on the floor. Just keeping that band on here. Just gonna push the band apart and bringing it back to center. Just make sure that when you bring it back here, just maintain a little bit of resistance there to keep that engagement throughout the whole set. So we did about 10 repetitions there. So we're gonna get on the floor. We're gonna try to do some bridges with band pull aparts. Again, really optional. If you can't get on the floor, that's fine. You can just pause the routine here, but I really encourage you to try this next exercise if you are able to get on the floor. All right, so just keeping that band on. Just press up here with your core braced and glutes engaged, pushing up and then pulling the band apart, back to center and back down. All right, we'll try to squeeze one more and take a break. All right, so with Piriformis syndrome, you know, I always say that less is more, and when you are in pain, you usually don't want to be doing too much, just add in a ton of stuff. So if this gives you relief, you know, and you want to just stop here, that's totally fine. If you feel like you can do more, you can definitely repeat these exercises and do one more round. But what I found from my own experience with it is that you don't want to be pushing too much, you know, especially if something is working. Just great, just keep at it, stay consistent. You can repeat this again tomorrow or skip a day and do it again. And you can do some gentle stretches at the end. So one of the great stretches that I love to do is the 90-90 stretch. So this is a really good glute stretch. So you just get into that 90-degree angle with both legs and you move forward to stretch out the glutes. But it's a really nice, gentler stretch than, say, the pigeon pose. I find this one to be just less aggressive and it doesn't make the pain worse. We'll do the other side. Really good stretch if you have tightness in the glutes or in the hips in general. You can do this one every day. It just feels really good. And you can also work with the massage ball before the exercises, but again, just don't overdo it. All right, so I really hope you've enjoyed this routine, and if you've tried it, please comment below and let me know how you felt afterward. And please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's free and I have a ton of videos on Piriformis syndrome, lower back pain relief, a lot of good information just from my own experience with the pain, and a ton of other routines that you can do on a daily basis. So I will see you guys in the next video. If you experience Piriformis syndrome, which is that pain in the butt, along with sciatica, I highly recommend that you try some of the exercises in the free Piriformis syndrome rehab plan. I have the link below. This is an amazing plan that I'm giving away for free, and it's a complete plan with video tutorial that you can do at home, and it includes some of the best exercises that are specific to piriformis pain.